Hi everyone, my name is Jennifer and today I'm going to teach you how to download videos. The first thing you're going to do is download the program to download videos. My I prefer YouTube Catcher. I've been using this program since 2007. You click on their official website and click download. After that, you'll need to follow the setup instructions. Once the program is completely installed in your computer, you're going to get an icon that looks like this one. You're going to double click on it to start downloading videos and get a window that is like this one. To download the video, you need to have a URL. So, you're going to open your browser and go to your favorite video hosting site. Let's say you want a video on social studies, and here we're going to choose this one for this tutorial. You're going to copy, Control C, or right click, copy the URL. Make sure to watch the video before you download, right? You're going to paste it here. The great thing about YouTube Catcher is that it allows you to download MP3 files, MP4, WMA, WAV, different formats, right? For different purposes, but today we're going to pick the MP4, the one that's already there. Now you're going to click download and you're going to get another window. This window is for you to choose the source format. I like the HD videos because they're better quality overall. So you click download and you will get a video right here. See, it's downloading right there. Once the video is completed downloading, the status is going to change to completed. All the videos are being saved in your videos folder right here. See, these are all the videos I already downloaded. This is the video that is being currently downloading. Now this technique is useful to reinforce concepts in the classroom or in presentations in general. I hope you find this technique helpful. Until next time, goodbye.